Okay, so I said what I wanted to do is I wanted to test a Rose Terracotta base using the gold, the white and the black, just like a previous creation that I'd done. So the only change to this one is it's a different base colour. So I'm going to layer the base, I'm going to puddle the paints in the middle, and then I'm going to blow it out as a Dutch pour. So let's see what we can create. Okay, lots of air bubbles in there. I have painted my sides just so I've got some coverage. This is an opaque colour, so in terms of coverage it should be okay. Just want to make sure I've got enough on the base. And what I'll do is I will blow the colour out. I hope I've got enough. Okay, so let's get that base sorted. Okay, that's covered really well. I'm going to get rid of the air bubbles that I can see. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a white puddle right in the middle, just there. And then I will put 2 black puddles either side. One there and one here. Creating that face again. Okay, I'm going to put some gold on top of that black. Love the gold. So I'm going to just there. I hope there's enough contrast between the terracotta and the gold. Okay, so right in there. And then I think black there. Maybe just a little bit more black there. A bit more black there. Ooh, and I think a little bit more white just in there. Do we think? Can you see? Can you see the face? It's like there's the 2 eyes and the nose. It's definitely like a sloth face, I think. Okay. Is that all I want? I think so. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to blow over this way and then back down that way. So I've got just a little bit left over, so that's for some of the flow. Make sure I've got some here. Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna get rid of the air bubbles. Okay, so I've taken it off the edge here, and I think I'm just going to take that just over the edge, just to kind of mirror that. I'm glad I did, because there's some gorgeous cells just popping up here. I love some of these deeper lines just round here that I've managed to keep. I think I'm just going to take this little bit just back over. Okay. Wow. I'm going to take you in for a closer look. There we go. Look at that. Look at that detail just there. I'll be interested to see how the base colour dries. See if it dries a lot darker. I've not really used that colour before. But yeah, I'm really, really happy with it. Some of that detail just there. And then some of the lines I've kept just up there are really interesting. Okay. Guys, what I'll do is I will let this dry and I will take you in for a dry version look. Wow, I am so proud of how this is dried, and yeah, the design kept its shape, it kept its form, there was no movement, and I put that down to just using paint and water. And of course, having a steady table to ensure that it's dried really well. I've loved using a different colour base. And do you know what? I've got so many ideas and so many suggestions from you. I'm going to do some other colours as well. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.